this apartment building here. And I can hear a hydraulic elevator. And it's right here.
With how loud it is, we should probably only ride it once.
Yeah. This button's very satisfying.
It's a little difficult. Oh yes, and
Look at that.
real deal on free door.
Look at my cab view quick.
This isn't the best way to look at things.
This was replaced.
Don't push it.
I know.
It's really loud.
It's a glow-in-the-dark sign. That's funny.
It's kind of funny how in old elevators, you could just push the switch for the light and turn it off.
Yeah, you'd be like, I don't want this light.
Like, nah, no light for this ride.
Yeah. But you can't turn off the
I
fan.
want to say that bell button is actually one you can buy on eBay.
I think so. Oh wow, it just pre-doored again.
Let's only take it just this once though, because that thing is really loud.
Yeah.
I don't want anybody,
True. This is a very neat panel. Old GAL black buttons. Very old.
The oldest GAL black buttons.
I bet you this elevator's from the 1950s. And look, it's got the old mechanical bumper.
Yes, the door bumper does work too.
And that's it. We're at another one.
I'm running out of space stuff, so I might skip this one. It's a nice one though.
Yeah. Once again, this one has a bumper.
It's got GAL. You can see it on the label there.
This one has the original call bell.
Unlike the other one, which had a next generation call bell.
This one's not glow in the dark.
Right. It does glow.
It does glow a little bit. Seems to be an old EMCO. Or it is an old EMCO.
Yep, now it's GAL. It's funny how many something ECO there is. FCO, EMCO, SCO.
Back down.
I think is that it? Just EPCO, EMCO, and SCO.
Yeah,
So is there other ones that I'm not familiar with?
I think so. Elevator service company, elevator parts company, elevator maintenance company.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Excuse me, Nick. This one doesn't classically. Well, listen to the motor. You want to step out?
This would.
Yep, step out. I want to send it off the floor. There's your bumper. But anyway. Door sill. Listen to the motor. That's it.